In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to introduce yourself during a job interview. So if you have got a job interview coming up for any role, any organization, anywhere, make sure you stay tuned till the end because this one tip can actually decide whether you get selected or not. And just very quickly, if you are new to this channel, hi, I am CSVT Chaudhary and I am on a mission to help you grow your career, land global jobs and crack interviews with confidence. But I can only help you if you hit the subscribe button below. So please do that now. And don't forget to like this video. It really motivates me to create more content for you. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial and I'll teach you how to introduce yourself during a job interview step by step. So without any further ado, let's get started. करते हैं पार्ट नंबर 1 से, दैट इज व्हाट यू विल लर्न. इस वीडियो में आप क्या क्या सीखेंगे. इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू कवर 3 थिंग्स. फर्स्ट, I'll share some essential tips to get your interview off to a flying start. Second thing, I'll tell you 4 simple things you must include in your self introduction. And finally, I'll give you a real life example script based on my own background that you can use or personalize for your next interview. Moving to part 2, that is pro tips to start strong. यहाँ पे मैं आपको कुछ टिप्स दूंगी जो आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगी. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं टिप नंबर 1 से, that is arrive early. So whether your interview is online or in person, make sure you are early. If it's in person, reach the venue at least 20 minutes before. This shows that you are punctual and well prepared. Once you are there, go through your notes and especially the job description again. That small review help calm your nerves and prepare your brain for what's coming. टिप नंबर 2 भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज ड्रेस प्रोफेशनली. हाउ यू ड्रेस सेज एवरीथिंग अबाउट योर इंटेंशन. सो इफ यू हैवंट पुट इन द एफर्ट टू लुक नीट एंड प्रोफेशनल, द इंटरव्यूअर माइट अज्यूम you don't take this job seriously. So please dress like the role you want. Moving to next tip number 3, body language and manners. Maintain good posture, keep a smile, be polite, and as soon as you meet the interviewer, say, "Hi, my name is Switi Chaudhary. I'm here for the interview. Thank you very much for the opportunity." I know these are very simple lines, but they show confidence and respect. And one more tip, don't sit until you are asked to. Moving to next part, that is part number 3, what to say. So in this part, I'll give you 4 points to include in your answer so that you can ace that answer. So now the most common question you will hear is, can you introduce yourself or tell me about yourself? So here are the 4 things you must always include in your answer. First is skills and strengths that match the job description. Second is relevant experience or education. Third is 1 or 2 achievements that show impact. Fourth is your personality and what you will bring to the role. So ऐसे 4 areas हैं जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपका आंसर स्ट्रक्चर करने में क्लियरली एंड कॉन्फिडेंटली, और आपको अपना रिज्यूम में रिपीट करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी वर्ड टू वर्ड. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज सिंपल स्क्रिप्ट. इसमें मैं आपको एक रियल लाइफ बेस्ड एग्जांपल दूंगी. सो लेट मी गिव यू एन ब्रिलियंट जॉब इंटरव्यू इंट्रोडक्शन स्क्रिप्ट दैट यू कैन लिटरली यूज इन योर नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू. यू कैन पर्सनलाइज दिस बेस्ड ऑन योर ओन बैकग्राउंड. सो हियर वी गो. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for this position today. My name is Switi Chaudhary. I'm a chartered accountant with an MBA in finance and I have over 10 years of experience in financial management, audit and reporting across India, the UK and the US. Currently, I'm working as a finance manager in London in XYZ company where I manage 20 plus clients with combined revenue over 100 millions. I have also led and improved forecasting accuracy by 25%. Previously at XYZ company, I managed large-scale audits for listed and multinational clients, including SEC filings and cross-border engagements, and received the Applause Award for outstanding performance. I am known for being analytical, process-driven, and a fast learner. If I am selected for this role, I'll make sure I contribute from day one and continue to bring value through consistent performance and professionalism. So अगर आपने नोट करा हो तो this answer is powerful, structured and personalized. It includes all the 4 key areas: skills, experience, results and mindset. Moving to part number 5, that is final tips. Now that you already know what to say, here are few final tips. First tip is practice aloud. Not just in your head, loudly multiple time practice करें. Second is time yourself. Always जब आप practice कर रहे हैं तो make sure you note your time. It should be under 90 seconds. Third tip is use your own word. Don't memorize like a robot. थोड़ा बहुत just आना चाहिए, but make sure it's your introduction, not copied from someone else. The most important tip is practice in front of a mirror or record yourself to see how confident and clear you sound. Make sure to know that the goal is to be structured and not scripted. सो अब आपको एग्जैक्टली पता चल चुका है कि हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन अ जॉब इंटरव्यू, दैट इज clearly, confidently and professionally. So if you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe because I'm on a mission to help as many as people as possible to crack their dream jobs interviews. Also, if you want to learn how to answer all the tough interview questions like why should we hire you, what are your strengths, tell me about a challenge you faced, you will find more such videos on my channel, so go check them out. Also, I'll be coming with a series of interview questions on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel below. So आज की वीडियो में इतना ही रखते हैं और मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए स्टे ट्यून. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड लक फॉर योर इंटरव्यूज.